Hello students, welcome to English class. I hope you are enjoying the online classes. You are enjoying the video. Today I am going to teach a new lesson, fourth unit number, saving the birds. Before see the lesson, before move towards the lesson, let us warm up. Let us begin the warm up. Look at the pictures of these great personalities. See the great personalities here. First, he is the known of our father, nation of our father, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Karam, he known as Mahatma Karamchand Gandhi. He fight against the British people to get the freedom from the British rule. Next, he is the one of the Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. was an American Christian minister, an activist who became the most visible spokesperson and leader in the civil rights movement. He is the one of the person who fight for the people, for their peace movement, for their peace, and he was inspired by Christian belief and non-violence activism of Mahatma Gandhi. Next picture is given Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela, he is the great person, spent his life. Nelson Mandela, he is a courageous person. He is a courageous person and uncompromising hero. Mandela was a man of principle. Mandela was a man of principles, strength and integrity. He was elected the first black president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. Next picture is given here. Saint Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa, she is one of the greatest, famous and popular woman who served. She sacrificed her life for the people. Mother Teresa committed to be a nun in 1931 and she chose the name of Teresa. She chose name of Mother Teresa to honor Proban, Sant of Australia and Spain. She spent her life for the children, for their surviving, to get them good education. She loved the children. Okay, let us move the next question. Why are these people thought of as heroes? Why these people are famous for their thought, are famous as a hero? Why? Here given the options. We have to pick the reasons from these options. They had talent. Yes, they had talent. They worked to make the world a better place. Yes, all the people, they are thinking our world, they work to make the world better place. They were kind and selfless. Correct. All the leaders were kind and selfless. They received many awards. Yes, they got many awards, but they are not selfish. They are not getting too much. They are not self-centered. That means they are not self-centered. They are all these peoples, means all these four great peoples, not only this, many freedom fighters and great peoples, they deserve their life for the nation. They serve the nation. Let us move. So these people are not self-centered. They are always care others. They are care for the nations. So these people are, I would like to say, these people are the pillar of the nations. Okay, let us move. Before start the lesson, we will see this is the story. This story about Abraham Lincoln. So we will now read about the incident from the life of Abraham Lincoln. This is the incident happened in Abraham Lincoln's life when he was 16 President of United States of America. Abraham Lincoln had fought for the rights and independence of underprivileged people. And Abraham Lincoln is one of the great personality who had fought for the rights of independence of underprivileged people. Both those people are not getting rights, so Abraham Lincoln was fight for them. So this story has written by, this is the biography of written James Baldwin. He is the writer, author of this lesson. Let us move. 1841 he was born, James Baldwin, and he was died 1925. Was born in Indiana. Indiana means land of Indians, the United States of America. By the age of 24, he had made a career as an educator and administrator. Means he was born in Indiana, means land of Indians, but he spent his life in America. Still he is known as Indian because he was born in India, but further life he spent in United States of America. By the age of 24, he had made a career as an educator. Educator means teacher, administrator. He was an extremely popular writer and wrote books for children on subjects like legends, mythology, biography, and literature. He is a writer, so he writes many books for children on the subject of legend, mythology. Mythology means old stories and that beliefs that which we will beliefs on the old stories, biographies, and literature. Literature means Sahitya. He wrote over 30 books about famous people in history. In his life, in his days, he wrote over 30 books. More than 30, he wrote books about famous people in history. About famous people in history. Means he knows the people. He also retold classical tales. See, he also retold classical tales. Tales means story, classical stories. This story has been taken from his book 50 Famous Stories Retold. And this story has taken from the book. Book name is 50 Famous Stories Retold. Okay. Here is the given biography of Abe. Abe means here the great personality Abraham Lincoln. Honest Abe. Honest means he is sincere, honest. Sincere person, Abe. His parents call him Abe. The sportsman and leader. He is not only honest, he is a sportsman as well as leader. Abraham Lincoln was always athletic, ambitious, determined, and and competitive. Athletic, who plays games. Olympic games, who plays. It's called athletic. Ambitious means showing a strong desire to succeed. Ambitious means showing strong desire to succeed. Who has ambition? Ambition, aim. Okay. Determine, he was firm on his decision. Determine means firm. And competitive, he is always competitive, always participate in competition. While growing up, he competed every Saturday in games of wrestling, jumping, ball playing, and horse racing. These are the athletic games are played in the worldwide: wrestling, jumping, ball playing, horse racing with young men of his locality. He did not have the bad habits that many of the young men of his locality had. He was surviving the rich people. Still, he has not, he have not bad habits. He was a decent different. He was a decent young man who worked in a store and on the boats, who worked in store on boat also, and sat under a tree and read in his leisure time. Leisure when he will get the free time. Still whole day he was working. He worked in store on the boats. And whenever he get leisure time, means free time, he read the books under a tree. When he was in the army, his fellow soldiers witnessed Lincoln's legendary physical strength. When he was in the army, his fellow soldiers, his followers, witness, those are known him, those are watch Lincoln's legendary physical strength. He could take on any man and wrestle him to the ground within minutes. He could take any one man, take on any man and wrestle him, and he put him on the ground within a minute. He had been defeated only once in about 300 wrestling matches, and he was defeated. He had been defeated to the peoples, to the wrestlers, to the competitors in about 300 wrestling matches. He attended 300 wrestling matches. He played and he was defeated the wrestlers. How many matches he has played? 300. He was strong, wary and sure-footed. Wary means small. Wary means small and thin. He was strong, small and thin, and sure-footed means confident and competent. He is a competent and confident person. If he is looking small and thin, still he has confidence on himself. Years of playing sports shaped Lincoln's leadership qualities. It improved his communication and team building skills, help him develop winning strategies, manage his time efficiently. Many years he was playing sports, and he has got the leadership quality. He improved his communication, team building skills. He has many qualities: how to communicate, how to manage the people's, team building skills, help him develop winning strategies, manage his time efficiently, manage his time with quickly, and excel at decision making techniques. Excel means he is expert, he shine always decision making techniques. He can take decisions expertly. Sport made him confident and succeeded in leadership. with sport he has got the confidence and he always succeeded in leadership roles that he had fulfilled as the 16th president of United States of America. That's what he had fulfilled. He was become the 16th president of United States of America because of these qualities. He knows how to manage the people, how to handle the people with the teams building skill. He knows. Okay, dear student, this is the biography of Abraham Lincoln. Next period we will see the lesson. Okay, next period I will teach the lesson. Okay.